Many people suffer from snoring while sleeping. Let's talk about a simple home remedy that can help. Snoring is a problem that affects almost every household. The person who snores may fall asleep easily, but those sleeping nearby often struggle to get proper rest. Here's an easy and natural remedy from Ayurveda. Take 1 glass of water and add 2 cloves, 4 tulsi, holy basil, leaves 1 tejpata, bay leaf. Boil the mixture well until it reduces to half a glass. Make the person who snores drink it every night before going to bed. This is a general wellness tip based on Ayurvedic principles. For specific health concerns, please consult Ayurvedic doctor. Free consultations with Ayurvedic doctors only at askayurveda.com.